Hey, you two, welcome back, guys, and then happy Friday. Anyway, today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Supreme Spring Summer Season 2018. It was dropped on May 3rd, week number 11. This is Lee QUINONES Skateboard deck. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I got the one with the red font. All right, so let's go ahead and cut this open, guys. So let's see. So as you can see, it always comes with this nice Supreme shopping bag, okay? So here you go, guys. So, wow, nice. So it comes with the box logo decal or the stickers, like always. And it says world famous Supreme on there. And you got the Lee QUINONES signature right there on top of the deck. And on the sticker it says Lee logo skateboard. And then that's the barcode. As you see, it says spring summer season SB6, and then this is the red color or the red font, and then the skateboard size is 8.125. So let's check it out on the other side. My God, how come somehow on the picture it shows much more red, and this is almost like a faded red color. And it says silent thunder. So Lee QUINONES is well known for graffiti artists, so you guys can check them out on the Wikipedia if you guys wanted to know. So anyway, this is my unboxing for this skateboard deck. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please also hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. And be sure to turn on that bell for notification. So whenever I drop new and latest video, you guys won't miss out. Alright? Anyway, happy Friday and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.